This omnidirectional wireless lavalier microphone could be what you're just looking for to get started with your content creation journey. Watch this video to learn more. Hello YouTube, how are you doing today? My name is Dara and I'm back with another mobile recording gadget. It's a T-Raputa Wireless Lavalier Microphone that works with your PC, Android, iPhone and iPad. As usual, before any other talks, let's go check out what comes in the box and do some audio tests and talk about some of the technical details. The link to purchase will be in the video description below and also as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out. Right now, let's just go unbox. Let's go unbox. So let's get the box from Amazon open right now, and this is just the packaging for the T-Raputa Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Straightforward and handy. On the box you see the description of what the microphone can do and all the pretty details about it. So let's get the nylon out of the way. That takes a couple of openings and unwraps, and then it's finally free. So let's see. In the box we got another packaging, which I think is really nice, especially for people who want to use this microphone on the go. Now let's open that little nice letter box, leatherish I probably say. And then right there we have a charging port which contains the transmitter and the main receiver for the T-Raputa Wireless Lavalier Microphone. And you can see the battery percentage in there. You see it's currently charging, that's why it's showing red. And it's got the charging contact just right below it with the power button to the side, and that is the one you clip on your cloth, and that is the receiver that goes into your device through USB-C. So let's put that all back in and see what else we can gather. Now let's look further into what actually comes in the packaging. So let me finish opening up the box really now. And in there you have the USB-C charging cable, which you can pretty much plug to any USB outlets that you have. And then there we have this USB-C to Lightning adapter, that's for your devices, iPhones, iPads and stuff. And then you got the USB-C to USB-A converter, that's for your PC and any large USB compatible devices, and then the USB-C cable that comes in the box. Good length I must say. And to charge you just pretty much open that area and then slot that in. And you're good to go. And then finally you get the user manual that gives you instructions on how to set up the microphone, which I think it's actually straightforward to use. Just remove, plug in, and you're good to go. But of course, if you need user manual, it's right there for you to use, and then just a little bit of a paper-ish kind of thing. And pretty much that's all that comes in the packaging. All the audio you're hearing for this video was recorded with this T-Raputa wireless lavalier microphone with no special effects, noise removal or EQ added whatsoever. But before I actually talk about anything else, let's step out and go use this to record some audio outdoors and see what that sounds like. Alright, so this is me recording on my street in London, and there's wind about, but I'm hopeful that the sound coming in is actually really good and crisp for whatever I'm doing. And I'm gonna actually move a bit farther away from my phone, which is actually about 10-ish meters away now, and I'm moving further back, so this is about 20 thereabout meters away from the phone that I'm plugged into, and I'm walking right back, and it's windy. You might probably be hearing some of it coming into the microphone. But what if I adjust the direction and then move a little bit back or maybe even against the wind. Let's see how that looks like. There's a bit of construction going on behind me here. So let's see how that audio experience feels, me backing the wind noise coming from my surroundings. So that's pretty much the outdoor test I gotta make for this wireless lavalier microphone. Okay, now we're back. Let's talk about the tech specs and compatibility of this microphone. It's a plug and play wireless one. That means you don't need to do any other thing. You just need to hook it up to your device, just like this, and you just get going with the microphone. You can record straight into your favorite recording software like your memo app, your video camera, and pretty much anything you want to use using this microphone. If you're using a PC, you might need to do some extra steps in actually picking the microphone to use if you use multiple microphones, just like me. It's a wireless transmission microphone, so it means it transmits wirelessly at about 2.4 gigahertz with about minus 42 to 1 decibel sensitivity with a 56 decibel signal to noise ratio. You can record at about a range of 10 meters, and the battery that comes with the charging port lasts for about 7 to 8 hours, and this charge to the USB-C port, it also comes with the USB-C cable in the box. Now you might want to ask me, who should get this microphone? I would say this microphone will be for someone just starting out in content creation, looking for a budget microphone that is mobile and versatile, and you can use it across multiple devices. Basically, that is the kind of person I would recommend this microphone for. Now, you've watched this video this far. I want to say thank you. But do you know that if you like this video and give it a thumbs up, you will help others discover videos just like this one, and subscribing and hitting that notification bell will ensure you do not miss any new videos coming from me. So go ahead and do that right now, and of course, thank you for doing that. And that's it for today. I'll be seeing you in the video. Cheers and goodbye.